I am deciding to build more within the Black tech space. If you didn't know already, I am a RenderATL ambassador. RenderATL is the premier tech conference for, aspiring professionals who want to get into the tech industry. I decided to be an ambassador because I come from a non-technical background. I taught myself how to code, Python, HTML, and I decided to be a web developer and graphic designer, videographer, photographer as well. So me coming from a non-traditional background and trying to pivot into the technical industry did pose a challenge for me, and I decided to be an ambassador to show other aspiring professionals that they can do the exact same thing that I'm doing no matter what background that they come from. Now, why does it matter for Black professionals to even be in the space? Being in tech, being within the industry, it doesn't really matter what it is, because tech is more non-traditional in a sense and is very web-based. I do have the privilege and opportunity to, one, work remotely, but just having that location freedom and flexibility to be able to travel on a Friday, on a Monday. I can go to the different SiriusXM offices and travel throughout the week if I needed to. So that location freedom is definitely something that I love and enjoy. That's definitely one of the perks about being within the industry. The networking aspect. The networking aspect is a very big one indeed. Being able to network with other Black aspiring professionals, people who look like me, think like me, and are doing the things that I want to accomplish in the future has definitely been a positive experience for me. And RenderATL has definitely brought that experience to Atlanta, that networking, the fun, the tech, the building of community, everything that you would want within a particular space. RenderATL has definitely brought that to me and to others around me. So now, what am I actually building? I currently work in corporate now, and I want to eventually become a digital nomad. What that means is that I work from my computer and I live on my computer. I'm constantly traveling, helping my clients do whatever they feel like they need to do, whether that be photography, creative direction, videography, website development, implementation, software consulting, no matter what it is. I want to be like that direct connection to my clients. So this year I'm going to be showing my process a lot more, showing what that looks like behind the scenes, from traveling, and not just traveling for work, but traveling personally and for pleasure as well, and showing what that looks like from a budget standpoint. Also, will be showing the things that I am building. So I am working on a startup right now within the AI personal productivity space. So we'll be showing a little bit more of that background process, showing a lot more of my skills with videography, photography, website development, all that good stuff, showing the behind the scenes of all of that as well. I'll essentially be learning a whole bunch of tech skills and showing my process publicly. I mean, at this point, it's really just being in front of the camera, telling you all that it is possible and that you all will be able to see it being built, seeing the dynasty being built from the ground up. So yeah, I'm definitely super excited to be able to show y'all this process. So I said all to say, if you are a Black professional looking to get into the tech space or wanting to learn something new, this is the channel for you. Fireside Chats, again, we are just discussing weekly what's on my mind and, what my goals are and what, I'm trying to accomplish for 2026 and, my 2-year, my 5-year, 10-year plan. So this year specifically with Firesides, it'll be more so geared and focused towards being an aspiring Black professional in Atlanta. What does that look like? What are the ins and outs, the day-to-day of my life, my process, and the things that I am trying to do in order to become that digital nomad? So with that being said, that's really all I got for this video. So we'll see y'all next week.